Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Domino's pizza restaurants don't stay open a full 24 hours. But they understand that hunger happens anytime, even late at night. That's why Domino's stores are open well past midnight. Unlike some 24-hour restaurants that might offer a limited menu, Domino's late-night food delivery features the full menu.
Let's help you make your mark.
Domino's delivers pizza late night. Because most Domino's restaurants stay open until midnight Sunday through Thursday, and until 1 a.m. on Friday and Saturday, you can always get pizza, pasta, chicken, or sandwiches delivered late at night. We're famous for specialty pizza, but we also offer a build-your-own option.
Let's help you make your mark.
Although Domino's doesn't offer 24-hour food delivery, you can get pizza, pasta, sandwiches, chicken, salads, or dessert delivered until midnight on Sunday through Thursday and until 1 a.m. on Fridays and Saturdays.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.